Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting your watercolor pans for dried crusts and debris. Soak pans briefly in warm water to loosen dried paint before priming the palette. Dry surrounding areas with a paper towel and avoid submerging metal pans. Arrange pans by hue family for efficient color mixing and workflow, and keep cool colors on the left. Use a clean 3/5-inch round brush to activate pan pigments evenly and load the brush with tint using circular motion. Wipe excess water and test color on scrap paper before painting. Measure water consistently to achieve repeatable washes. Start with roughly 1 teaspoon water to 1 pan load for light washes. Mix on a ceramic mixing tray or white porcelain plate to judge value and saturation accurately. Test each mix on scrap paper and adjust using small water additions. For richer color, use 2 parts pigment to 1 part water for stronger intensity. Layer 2 thin washes with drying time between layers for depth and avoid overworking the paper, which damages fibers. Mix complementary colors sparingly to avoid muddying hues during blending. Rinse brushes gently in cool water between color changes to prevent contamination. At session end, wash brushes with mild soap and rinse until water runs clear for long life. Reshape bristles with fingers and rest brushes horizontally to dry to preserve ferrule integrity. Avoid leaving brushes standing on bristles, which causes splaying and shortened lifespan. Store pans in a dry box with lid closed to protect pigments from dust and humidity. Label custom mixes with date and ratio notes to recreate favored colors later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.